In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to ClickFunnels 2.0. We'll walk through the whole process step by step, starting from grabbing your video link all the way to saving your page so the video is live and ready for your visitors. First, let's get your video URL. Open the platform where your video is hosted, for example, YouTube. Find the video you want to use. On the row or line where that video appears, look to the right side for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click those dots. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the Share option. A pop-up window will open showing you the video's URL. Go ahead and copy that URL. This is the link we'll paste inside ClickFunnels in just a moment. Next, log into your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a section labeled Funnels. Click on Funnels. You'll now see a list of all the funnels in your account. Take a moment to find the funnel where you want to add this video, then click to select that funnel. The page will reload and bring you into the funnel editor. In the center of the screen, you'll see a list or a flow of pages that belong to this funnel. Hover your mouse over the specific page where you want to upload or embed the video. When you hover over it, an edit button will appear. Click Edit to open that page in the page editor. Inside the page editor, scroll or move to the section where you'd like your video to appear. Hover over that area. You'll see an Add Element button appear. Click Add Element. A panel or drawer will slide open on the right side of your screen. In that drawer, look at the left panel and click on Media, then choose Video. A video element will now appear in your live preview. Click directly on that video element in the preview. Another settings drawer will slide open on the right side. Look for the video settings section. In that area, you'll see a text field where you can paste the video URL you copied earlier. Paste the link there. After adding the URL, you can adjust other video options, such as enabling video controls for viewers, turning autoplay on or off, using lazy loading to improve page performance, blocking pause if needed, setting branding preferences, and choosing the aspect ratio so the video looks good on your page. When you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. That's it. Your video is now added to your ClickFunnels 2.0 page and ready for your audience to watch.